Hi there, I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how to do mirror stamping. So that is this, when you've got a stamp that faces one way and you want it facing both ways on your piece. So I'm using this stamp from the wonderful Moments stamp set, and I've got it on my Stamparatus already. So the Stamparatus is kind of your key tool for this. So I've got the stamp loaded up just in the corner here, and I've got a piece of window sheet here. You can do this as well with a silicone mat or even just the base of the Stamparatus if you're using clear cling mount stamps. I'm using photopolymer though, so I need this extra mat in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to ink this up and I'm going to stamp it onto my clear sheet. And I want to transfer kind of as much ink as I can. Now what I'm going to do is put a piece of paper over it and stamp again. I'm not actually worried about this stamp that's coming off the stamp. What I actually want is I want the stamp that came off of the clear sheet. And I'm actually going to do this again. I find if I do it twice, it's a little bit more even. So I'm going to do this again. And then you'll see it just evens out the ink a little bit. There we go. Now that's my one bride. I want two though, so I'm gonna do another one. And what I've found is that when I'm doing two images like this, it's actually better to stamp off onto the clear sheet first. And then now this time I'm going to be stamping with the image from the stamp. And because it's on the Stamparatus, it's going to stamp in exactly the same place as before. So now I've got two and they're facing each other. I hope that helps. If you want to see the card that I made with this piece, you can go to thecraftymedic.com if you didn't already see it. If you need to buy any of the supplies that I used here, the ink stamps, Stamparatus, the cardstock, you can go to thecraftymedic.com and follow the little shop now link. Or if you've got your phone handy, I've got my QR code here. So if you point your phone at that, your phone camera I should say, it should take you straight to my online store. Happy stamping. I hope this is a fun technique for you to play with and that you learned a little bit of something today. Happy stamping.